Hello, everybody. I'm Daryl Cartwright. I am an attorney in Birmingham, Alabama. I practice throughout the state. Uh, Visit my website at www.cartlawalabama.com and feel free to contact me if I can be of any service to you. Today, I wanted to spend a few minutes talking about services that attorneys can provide to their clients in today's world, in the estate planning world, through the use of video technology. Much like you're seeing currently, I'm producing this through my local Zoom technology account and uh, wanted to talk to you about how this could be used to safely take care of your estate planning needs in the world we live in today. Uh, Generally speaking, in pre-pandemic, in order to get an estate plan done, you normally would talk with your lawyer, often and most of the time in person, and discuss your estate planning needs for your last will and testament, power of attorney, healthcare power of attorney, and living will, for example. The attorney would then prepare documents for you, and you would exchange them in some fashion, often by email, and eventually reach a point where these documents were completed. At that point, you would arrange to meet your attorney back in his office, his or her office, and execute the documents properly and legally with witnesses, a notary public, etc., to make sure that they were putting those in the best way that they could possibly put those for you for your estate plan. Well, we were fortunate in that Governor Ivey recognized that we were in a peculiar situation where we had clients with strong needs while there was a pandemic, and some of our clients were in the very high risk category. Taking those clients and putting them in a position where they were around others, potentially subjecting them and exposing them to infection, was not an ideal situation. Accordingly, on April 2nd, Governor Ivey issued a supplemental proclamation, emergency public health order, which gave attorneys who are notary publics and other notary publics the right to remotely notarize certain documents and to have witnesses act in a remote sort of fashion as well. The way that I do this is probably similar to what other attorneys are doing that handle this in a remote fashion. I talk with my clients generally by telephone, but we can set up a Zoom video technology video conference as well, and discuss their needs. Often they will have some documents that I may need to look at beforehand, and they can submit those to me either by sending a copy in the mail or scanning it and sending it by email. Um, when that occurs and we discuss what is needed, I will prepare the documents and generally send those to them, the draft documents, by email. We go back and forth, sometimes make revisions, sometimes make supplementations, and sometimes make corrections because I'm not perfect. And when we get to the point where they are correct and ready to go, we arrange a subsequent video conference by Zoom technology. The client is in their home safely and with a printed version of their estate planning documents, and I am in my home office generally, or my office, with my video technology and a complete exact copy of their documents as well. We go through the estate planning execution process, and I have witnesses with me, generally family members. Thank you. But sometimes other people, and I am a notary public as well. When we go through the process, we have the client execute safely in their home their document, and we witness and notarize the exact same document safely on the video technology as well. Pursuant to Governor Ivey's proclamation, we are required to maintain a recorded version, which I do with my Zoom account, and for at least 5 years, and I'm going to plan on doing it for longer than that as necessary. And and that's really all there is to it. We have a very effective estate plan that is in place legally and safely, which is the most important part. The very first one that I did of this involved a client of mine who was a very high risk patient who needed to go to the hospital later that week for an operation. And this particular client uh, was able to safely have modifications made to their estate planning documents in a way that did not expose them to additional possibilities of infection, but yet they were safe and secure in the knowledge that they had a good, effective estate plan that was consistent with their desires. What I usually do, and I probably should have mentioned this as well, but what I also do is that I will have the client send me their original signature documents, and I will put everything together in one uh, package so that the original is complete. I will scan in the original, and I generally keep a scanned original copy only, and then I will send the original back to the client in a packet that I put together. And I guess most attorneys probably have some sort of packet that they have. In any event, this is the use of the video technology. It is pursuant to, as I mentioned, Governor Ivey's supplemental proclamation, emergency public health order. It is in existence, has been in existence since April. I don't know how long it will continue. My hope is that this will continue for an extended period of time, even past this pandemic, because I think it can be a very useful tool for many clients. Also allows me to provide my legal services throughout the state of Alabama. Um, no matter if you're in Birmingham, where I am, or Huntsville or Mobile, I can take care of your legal needs through this use and in a safe and effective and legal manner. Anyway, I hope you're doing well, and hope this was of some help to you and you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.